Hey everyone, today I will show you how to hide following lists on Instagram. And here's how it is done. First, open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your device and log in to your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap Account Privacy. Toggle on Private Account to switch your account from public to private. Log out of your current account. Log in into another account and search for your profile. Check your followers and following list. They will no longer be visible to people who aren't following you. By setting your account to private, you can hide your followers and following lists from anyone who isn't your approved follower. And that is everything you need to know about how to hide following lists on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.